What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Whew, you guys, it is cold today. I love this location, isn't it beautiful? I love the hills, so pretty. They recently remodeled the whole front of the store, the signage, the sidewalk. We have a brand new beautiful Aldi next door. This is Jerry's store. I can't wait to head in and see what's new. Let's go get warm, you guys. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see that little garbage can there. I could have used that. So I've been doing Weight Watchers for 2 weeks now. I packed my lunch and I went to get some things out the back of my car, and there was my soup spilled all over the place. This location is now $125 as well. So now all the stores in my area are $125. Ooh, I love this location. It's so well stocked. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are here. Look, the cute little lip smackers. Aren't they cute? Aww. Ooh, this is pretty pink ribbon. Cute little pom-poms, little bunny tails. All the seeds. My store is busy right now. We're heading right to the makeup, you guys. Right to the makeup. New nails, brand new nails. I'm seeing Kiss brush on nail glue. What's the color? It just says applies like polish. That's definitely new. I wouldn't mind having some of that for my stash of nails that I'm probably never gonna use, that I want to use, but I just, you know, I always tell myself I'm going to, and I never make the time. These are new. Nail wraps, little watermelons. These are definitely new with the hearts. Callus Spa, toe separators. Yeah, I just freezed my hands. Totally freezed my hands by cleaning up that spill in the back. Oh man, I was using like wipes and napkins and yeah. This location has tons of NYX stuff still from a few weeks ago. All of the NYX Love Out Loud liquid lipsticks, the soft matte lip creams, the jumbo lip pencils are here, but I couldn't get the caps off of either of mine. And then we have the Vivid Matte shades by Maybelline. We have lots of e.l.f. We have a lot of the Vivid Matte liquids as well. I wanted to come down here and see if we have any new glitter polishes. This one's been here for years, but I've really been liking glitter polishes. This is a pretty color. I just have really been liking them a lot. because it just really protects your nails. It just gives it an extra layer of protection, and I really need that in the winter. Ooh, look at all the color sensational lipsticks. Look at that, you guys. Can you believe this? We have Make Me Pink, Metallic White Gold, Peach Buff, Chocoholic, Copper Spark, and we have Romantic Rose, Plum Paradise. I think that's it on those. This is another white gold, but wow, look at that. What? And then the Super Stays are still here. Let's see. We have a variety of shades. We have Toffee Espresso and Warm Sun. And then we have the Maybelline Metallic Foil Lippies. They're calling them Liquid Lips. This matte metallic lipstick achieves a chromatic lip look in one lightweight swipe. Lightweight swipe? Yeah. Are you ever reading something and you're like, did that come out right? Yes, it did. I think I said it right. I'm a little frazzled from my soup situation. I promise I'm going to stop talking about it, but that was going to be my food. I was not going to get any fast food. I packed soup. Oh, what's this? I packed soup. I packed, ooh, 3 foot treatments. I packed soup, protein drinks, non-fat yogurt with blueberries. I packed an apple and some protein drinks. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, we get one here. This is a hydrating foot treatment. Wow. And then this one is a exfoliating foot treatment mask. What? Look at that. 3 pairs. So what do we do? Okay, thoroughly cleanse feet. Cut open package. Place your feet inside the gel-filled socks. Allow the treatment to work for 60 to 90 minutes. Ooh. I want to try. I'll get a couple. And I'll let you guys know. There's 3 to a pack, so Birdie and I can both try that. We have some other ones up here, but this is just a 1 pack. And we have the retinol singles, single treatments. The watermelon cleanser, the facial serum. We have a 12 count. What? We have a 12 count of triple cleansing strips. You know, I'm gonna get some of those. Come through spa subscriptions this week. Wow, I think this one was spa subscriptions as well, was it? Let's see. Maybe not. Wow. I'm just finding all sorts of nice stuff in here today. We still have the Bodycology hand creams as well. Any new deodorants? I feel like this one might be new. This is a Sea Salt Power Stick 0% aluminum deodorant in All Day Fresh, 2.5 ounces, definitely new. I have never seen the sea salt scent before. Oh, we have some mixed berry Ricolas and some honey herb Ricolas. 19 in a pack. That's always a great deal when we can find Ricolas in here. I mean, if the pack is more than 10, it's a great deal. You guys know those cost more everywhere else. Has it already been 10 minutes? Okay, you guys, well, I guess it's already been 10 minutes, so it's time for me to start another video. I'm probably gonna start on the hair aisle. Ooh, these are nice. I like these scrubbies. Yes, time definitely flies in this location. So hey, you guys, definitely join me on the very next aisle. We have a lot to look at, and hopefully we'll find even more name brands. But all right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.